Hey there, food lovers. How is it going? Welcome to Bistégs TV, your go-to spot for mouth-watering recipes and cooking tips. Thanks for stopping by. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming and delicious beef soup recipe that will make your taste buds dance. Whether you're a kitchen pro or a newbie, this recipe is super easy and guaranteed to impress. So, stick around till the end, you won't want to miss it. First things first, let's prepare our ingredients. For this recipe, you'll need beef meat cut into chunks, corn, fresh or frozen, ginger, finely sliced, onions, chopped, black pepper to taste, fish sauce for an extra flavor boost, bell pepper, chopped, cabbage, shredded, and don't forget the beef cube to enhance that rich beefy flavor. Simple, right? Let's get cooking. Now let's get started. Pour water into a large pot and add the beef meat. Cover it up and let it cook for about 30 minutes. This step is crucial as it helps to tenderize the beef and create a rich base for our soup. After 30 minutes, it's time to infuse our soup with incredible flavors. Let's start with the ginger. Ginger adds a warming, aromatic kick that's perfect for beef soup. Next in go the onions. Onions bring sweetness and depth to the soup. As they cook, they'll caramelize slightly, making the broth even more flavorful. Now, let's add the corn. Whether you're using fresh or frozen, corn adds a touch of sweetness and a lovely texture. And of course, we can't forget the black pepper. Sprinkle in a generous amount to give the soup a nice, spicy kick. Give everything a good stir to combine all these wonderful flavors. The ginger, onions, and black pepper will start to release their aromas, creating a tantalizing smell that will have you eager for that first taste. Let this simmer for a bit. You'll notice the broth beginning to deepen in color and flavor. Next, we're going to take our soup to the next level. Add the beef cube and a splash of fish sauce. The beef cube will deepen the flavor, and the fish sauce adds a savory umami kick. Stir everything well and let it continue to cook. Time to add some color and crunch. Chop up the bell pepper and add it to the pot. Let your soup cook for another 30 to 40 minutes, or until the meat is wonderfully tender. The bell pepper will give a lovely freshness to the soup. We're almost there. Now it's time to add the cabbage. Shred the cabbage and gently stir it into the soup. The cabbage will add a wonderful crunch and a subtle sweetness to our soup. As it cooks, it'll soften and absorb all those delicious flavors from the broth. Allow the soup to boil for just a few more minutes. You'll notice the cabbage turning a vibrant green and becoming tender but still crisp. This is the perfect time to give your soup a final taste test. Adjust seasoning if needed and let it simmer gently. The cabbage will bring a beautiful texture and flavor that completes the soup. Make sure to stir occasionally so everything cooks evenly and the flavors meld together perfectly. And voila! Your delicious beef soup is ready to be served. Ladle it into bowls, making sure to get a good mix of beef, veggies, and that rich, flavorful broth. Look at that. The beef is tender, the vegetables are perfectly cooked, and the broth is rich and savory. This soup is perfect for a cozy family dinner or for meal prepping. It stores well in the fridge and even tastes better the next day as the flavors continue to develop. Let's give it a taste. Absolutely delicious. The beef is so tender, and the combination of the ginger, onions, and fish sauce creates such a depth of flavor. The corn and cabbage add just the right amount of sweetness and crunch. This beef soup is a total winner, and we are sure you and your family will love it just as much as we do here at Bistégs TV. If you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to thumbs up. We would like to hear from you. So drop a comment below and let us know how your soup turned out, or if you have any variations you'd like to share. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who love a good, hearty meal. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Bistégs TV for more delicious recipes and cooking tips. Thanks so much for watching Bistégs TV. We appreciate your support and can't wait to bring you more tasty recipes. See you next time. Happy cooking. Thank you. Cheers.